All right, just when you thought all was good and well, you're doing the dishes and you're ready to run the dishwasher, and there's an issue. Something's not working right. What is it? When I press that start button, listen to that. What should you hear but you don't? Water, right? This is a GE model dishwasher. I've had it for 5 or 6 years and has worked beautifully, but randomly one day this happened. When I reset it and try to cancel the run mode, it activates the drain, like it's trying to drain water here. But there's no water to drain because the water never turned on for some reason, and nothing really happened. We didn't turn off the water leading to the dishwasher or do anything weird. It just kind of was this random issue. So I'm going to show you how I fixed it, and hopefully this can help you a little bit. Now, I did try running it on various settings. I even tried shutting the power off to the breaker downstairs, thinking that was maybe it just needed to be reset or something, but no. So I've got the bottom drawer removed, you can see, loaded with dirty dishes, and what I'm doing here is taking out the filter. Now, I just recently cleaned the filter, and I don't think it was coincidental, but I do think it was coincidental. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe there's a relationship there between what's going on and this. But the filter itself is super clean, so I'm not worried about that. But however, when I cleaned the filter, I didn't poke my head down here at all to get any of the, whatever might be inside this little area, the drain water area. So you can see we've got some food debris. In fact, I thought that this piece right here that I'm trying to grab, and I've got this little cloth thing out in the garage. It's a great little tool. Have it handy, right? You can pick up a lot of things in tight to reach places. So I thought that was like a piece of glass or something that may have been affecting it. But remember, this is the drain piece. So the issue is that there's no fresh water coming in. So I didn't think this was the issue, but I was going to go ahead and clean this out just in case. And a shop vac also worked well to get some of those hard to reach places, because it's a bit awkward. And so that, you can tell and see now, is pretty clean. And again, the filter is clean. So I'm going to put that back and lock it into the correct position as indicated by the arrows there. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to spin these bad boys here, and I'm going to spin them kind of hard. Not crazy, but I am trying to loosen up anything. The fresh water, I think, comes out of those, it comes into the dishwasher through those little spinners. So if there's no water coming in, I'm thinking maybe there's some hard water deposits there that maybe are clogging or something. So I'm just spinning this. And by the way, I had no idea. I was just kind of accidentally, what if I do this or try this? I don't know anything about dishwashers. I'm just a DIYer, right? Just trying to figure it out. So you can see here, after we press start, we have water now. So either cleaning that drain piece or by moving those rotating wands at those 3 of them in this particular case, actually did the trick. And we'll test it out here. Now, if you're a dishwasher repair person watching this video, you're probably going to know exactly what I did or didn't do, or exactly what's wrong, right? Sorry, I'm not really sure, but this is how I fixed it, and it worked well. So it might be a symptom of something bigger. I'll continue to watch it and keep an eye on it to see if there's an issue. These are my normal settings that I have it on: sanitization, auto, and then heated dry. And once we press that start button, you can hear the water clicking on. And that is what I want. And it ran through a full cycle without any issue whatsoever. And after several minutes of it running, we'll just kind of peek in here and see. Voila, back to normal. And again, a full cycle ran just as good as it did last night when we ran it perfectly, meaning it worked well last night. So try that. Maybe that will help you clean that drain out, clean that filter out, and give those things a spin and maybe knock out some of that hard calcium deposit from the hard water. Thanks so much, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY solutions like this.